Good morning. How's it going? How's it going, everyone? Hello, hello, hello. I'm watching for that 800. Might want to be testing that 800 again and come back down to 85. We're looking at what, 15 point, 10, 15 points price range right now. If you want to push through that 800, watching for that 800. The king is back. How's it going? Yeah, I'm watching for that 800, and down here I'm watching for 85 to break. No rush, you guys, no rush. Believe it or not, I just got into my office and just got on my computer. I have not made any trade yet. Here we go. Nothing yet. Nothing going on, you guys. Those are my funded account. Nothing yet. Nothing today yet. And these are my challenge account. So nothing going on today yet. But hopefully we'll make some money today. That's for sure. We'll make some money. That's for sure. Yeah, I'm watching right now. It's very, very tight range right now. So I'm watching. Yeah, I'm watching for 800. Down here I'm watching for 85 or something like that. Would be nice if you can push it back up to the 800. Go through that or lower. So how's it going, you guys? Watching for 85 down there. Oh yeah, I forgot to turn on my music. Let's have some music on. Sorry about that. We've got some music going on. Sorry about that. We'll get some music going for you guys. Where's my music? Here we go. Here's some music while we wait. Hey, not much, my friend. Okay, got it. Be careful. Yeah. Be careful. Nothing much today. I just got into my office and I had a late start for me today. Have not made any trade yet. Like again, I'm trading 6 accounts at the same time again today. Like we have some funds here. Let me Let's have some fun, you guys. You go through the what? And have some fun. We go. Watch for that 85. Yeah, not much going on. We're looking at 875 or so. Not much going on. $98. Hit that 98, push it back down. So I'm looking at 98 again. I'm not going to lie. I'm looking for a short setup. But no rush. Super tight, you guys. No rush. How's it going? How everybody doing? How are you? I'm doing fine. I'm doing fine so far. How are you guys doing? Is it Friday yet? Is it today Friday? Is it today Friday yet? Can't wait for Friday again. Came up here a couple times now. 98. Yeah, like I said, my risk is no more than 15 points. My hard stop no more than 15 points. But I usually get in and get out very, very quickly. Plus my losses very quickly. That's my plan. And yep, just waiting. Yeah, risking 15 to make maybe 20 points, something like that, hopefully. One, two, three, four. 5 times now, trying to go through the 98. Not 800 anymore, but 98. So let's say assuming that if I see some kind of price action came in, and if I shorted at right now 96, my stop may be at 800, 801 or something like that. So maybe risking 4 points or something like that, but not right now. But I'm just saying that if I short, okay, look like you want to retest that 800 again. Ten seconds before that candle close. 6 seconds. Yeah, look like 98 hole. Doesn't look good. To be honest, I was rushing it. Don't like it. She has to go now. Right now, I got my hard stop set at 15 points. Risking 15 points. He doesn't want to go, man. He has to go now. Really like what I see. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't come back. Oh. Let go. Okay, try not to be greedy here. Try not to be greedy here. I am greedy. Oh, $120. Man, first winning trade. First winning trade. $120. That is $120. That's only what, 7 points. 6.5 points. Hey, good morning, Crystal. How are you? I don't know about easy money. You know that the thing is this, okay? Every day now, I walk into my office and I said, I don't expect anything. I just expect me doing my best. I don't expect to make $1 million. I don't expect to this and that. I just walk into my office, get onto the computer, just saying that I focus on the process and the outcomes will come. I don't expect much. I wasn't focused on the outcome, but I focused on the process. Try my best to take a good trade. That's what I am. But it seemed working for me. I don't know. I don't know what's happened to you guys. And I got out too early. But again, who knows, right? So you can pop it back up and play a game with me, and then. But that's okay. It's a win. It's a win. But yeah, walk to the office and just say, I'll do my best to trade today. Not expecting too much, It's really helped mentally, I don't know. I don't know if you guys trade. I don't know if you guys can relate. Before, right? I've been trading for 2 years is so long, but I don't really commit so much time in trading. But I'm saying that when I wake up, before I kind of not necessarily say scared, but walking really nervous, saying, what am I going to lose money today? Am I going to make money today? Am I going to let my viewer down today by not taking good trade? I just worry so much about that every day. But for the last couple of weeks, I go, no. You guys don't expect me to be anything. You guys expect me to be myself. So I just go, okay, from now on, I walk into the office, be myself, and try not to focus on the outcome, but focus on the process. Trying to take a good trade, be patient, and things like that. And in a way, it's helped me. In a way. Wow, look at that, you guys. Talking too much. Me talking too much, not focus on trading. But yeah, I want to provide as much value as I can to voice my weaknesses and things like that. Perhaps you guys can relate. But yeah, don't focus on the outcome. Just focus on what can you do today. Just focus on the process. That's what I'm trying to say. Yeah, it really helped me. Trust the process. No, don't trust the process. But you know what I mean. You know what I mean. Yeah, trust the process. Trust the process doesn't mean that you can allow the trade to go against you and say, yeah, I trust that process. What I mean by trusting the process is trusting that trade to a point that's not working anymore. So you have to get out. and knowing that I can get back in. That's what I'm trying to say by trusting the process. Trusting your trade. Trusting your plan. See, with that trade, I was thinking about, okay, the maximum loss that I can take was 15 points. But again, I will get out when it hit 801, 802, risk only 3.44 points. But I got my hard stop on there to make sure that I'm not go emotions on me and allow the trade to go against me 50 points, 100 points against me. That's what that hard stop's for. I got out too early, I guess. Yep. Damn it, you, Stephen. Damn it, you. Sometimes it's very hard to walk away. We all know that. Sometimes we have to go back in and try to make our money back. But I'm still learning, and I'm still coping with my plan, saying that if I hit $500 on each account, then I have to stop. If 5 of my account in the red, I will stop. I will walk away. Just get out of my office and walk away. Yeah, but I'm working on that. To be honest with you, very, very, very tough to walk away. When you are in the red. But we have got to learn how to walk away and come back the next day stronger, right? Come back the next day. I'm still working on that. It's nuts. Yeah. Still working on that. And I still wanted you guys to hold me responsible, for what yeah. But believe it or not, you guys pretty constructive. You guys saw what I did. You guys find it out. But I welcome all that. But I do have the right to say that, okay, what I think, why I took that trade and what the thought process and all that. And I will voice my opinions different than yours. Perhaps we can help each other to grow, right? Yeah, we're here for each other, man. There's no other way. Yeah, we have to support each other. Hey man, the first trade, I have to make some money, right? The first trade, when you first got in and you win the first trade, then give you a lot more confidence. I have to do anything in my power to put that green trade with that first trade. But again, I might say that I get out early or get out too late and things like that, but that's after the fact, right? What happened if it go against me, 5 points, and I got super nervous and I got out, and then I said, oh yeah, I got out too late. So we can talk both ways, but the bottom line is, as a trader, we try our best, do the best we can with that trade in that particular movement, right? So, but again, this is a winning trade. I just trying to focus on the next, not to worry too much about that. But again, I don't know, when you first start out for the day, and if your first trade was a winning trade, give you a lot of confidence and things like that to go on to the next trade, no matter what, $100 or $20, give me some kind of confidence to focus on the next trade. Hey Flo, how's it going, man? How's it going? I haven't seen you for a while. How are you? Yep, try my best, man. Try my best. Especially when you trade multiple accounts at the same time, so. The dream trade. Yeah, huh? Yeah. But look at this here. The reason, see, before that, 5 minutes before that, I go, okay, it's trying to hit 98 now, not 800 anymore. The next 1 minute candle's the same. So I thought, why not? I'll take that trade, knowing that I have to get out at 801, risking only 3 points to make 6 or perhaps 10. So that was my thought process and why I took that trade. Look at, I was watching that for the last 5 minutes before I took the trade. But I have to admit, I was maybe a little bit early, but again, who knows? What advice? Trade small. Trade small to survive, right? To keep your account for a long time. Just trade small, my friend. Just stay small and develop a strategy, like develop strategies and build confidence from the way you trade, and then go back to mini again. But I would strongly recommend to go small, maybe two micro contract, and see how that goes, and work on your strategy. See if it works for you or not. Okay. Here we go. 2 more minutes up and down. Let me get some coffee, man. Let me get some coffee. I'll be right back. 1 second, okay? I'll be right back. Hey TK, how's it going? TK, thank you so much. Welcome. TK from Poland. Welcome, my friend. Yeah, I hear you, Stephen. Stephen. I hear you. No doubt. But if I have a chance to go back, when I first start out with the prop firm and that, like I said again before, do it small, trade small, man. You're not in the business of making money for the first, maybe the first years or the first year and a half. You know, you're not in the business of making money. You're in the business of learning and the business of surviving and things like that. So not focusing making money right now when you first start out. When I first start out, if I had a chance to go back, say to myself, say, man, don't worry about making money and don't worry about passing the account. You know, worry about how you're taking the trade, how you manage the trade, and do it small. Doesn't matter $1 or $20, something like that. Do it small. Your job is to work on your strategy. It's not about making money and things like that. Your job is to see how long you can keep that account. If I had a chance to go back and talk to me a couple years ago or a year and a half ago when I first started out, and then I'm still working on that. Nothing perfect, nobody perfect. I mean, there are no perfect trader out there. You know, I'm still working on that. Sometime, man, I could go crazy and say, "Oh man, you're taking money away from me," and my revenge trading kick in. And sometimes I got no control over that. So I'm still working on that. No, not perfect, but I'm still working on that. Believe it or not. So yeah. But like I said, in the morning when you first wake up, saying that I don't expect much, I expect to do to give myself 100% and stick with that plan and go. Like I told a story to you guys earlier that I used to be very nervous when I get into trading when I first turn on the computer. Am I going to lose money today? But don't allow that to overcome your everything. You know, don't even think of that. I'm speaking from my experience, right? I walk in so nervous. Am I going to make money today? I mean, if you focus on that, then you forget about your strategy and you forget about your plan and things like that. See, for the last couple of weeks, I walk in and say, "Hey, man, I don't care how much money I make today. $100, $50, fine. But I will work on my plan and my emotions and manage my risk, and the outcome will come." You know? Yep. So I will focus on that. And then like for the last couple of weeks, I wake up, I don't feel that anymore. No more anxiety and no more worry, no more scared and things like that. Hey man, I'll walk in and I'll take 3 trades. If my account hit $500 in the red, I will stop and say, "Hey man, you guys, I'm not doing okay today. All my accounts are $500 in the red." I will walk away. That is my plan. But again, I'm not focused on that too much, but knowing that I have that plan in place, like exit plan for the day, but I will focus on picking good trade and things like that. Yep. No, but honestly, man, that's true. That I feel so stressful when I go live trading because it's trading in front of you guys. And then I have to prove to me that I know how to do this. It's very, very, very hard. But after saying that I will try my best, and this is my exit strategy, $500 in red, I'm done. Just focus on the process, and it really calmed me down a lot. Yeah, I'm talking too much today, but yeah, but if you do the right thing, if you can make some adjustment up here, I'm sure that money will come, you guys. Money will come. We all know how to trade. That's the bottom line. We know how we all know how to trade. The bottom line is, can we control our emotions, by placing, risk and all that management in place? Are we disciplined enough to walk away? Yep. We'll be okay. We'll be okay, you guys. very tight price range right now. We're looking at what, 785 to 798. So we're looking what, 85, 98, 13 points. 13 points price range right now. 13 points. 98, 85. See, that's why I say that. Remember the last week, APEC has a program 90% off. That's why I told you guys to go ahead and buy a couple accounts. 90% off. That was $16 per account. So it was awesome price for practice. It's only $16. Buy a couple of those. Trying to learn from your trading and that. But they no more right now. They have 71% off. I think that kind of high. If they go back to 80% off or 90% off, man, maybe you guys need to buy 1 or 2 accounts and try it out. Very small. Make $1 million here today. Hey, what's up, Maverick? How's it going, man? I know, AO3. That's fine. You're welcome, Stefan. What Big W? What is my strategy? I don't have no strategy, man. I don't know what I'm doing half of the time. No, but to be serious, walk in the morning. I don't know what I just walk in the morning, like walk into my office in the morning. I just look at the chart. I just draw my lines and trade based off that. And you can see that I have like VWAP and 9 EMA, 11 EMA, and all the volume and all that and that. But I to be honest, when I take the trade, I don't even look at those indicators at all. I just put it up there just for to make me look professional. But a lot of time I walk into my office, I draw my lines and I go, But a lot of people come and want to see you have a couple indicators in there to make you look professional. That's what it's for. But but yeah, I have no strategy, man. What he's talking about? Yeah, I don't know my strategy, man. Looking for that 70 to hold. Mm-hmm. 773. What time is it? 12:11. It looks that it want to go back to the retesting that 800, huh? Wow, 50% of you guys saying that we'll go through the 21,800 today. Wow, that's awesome. 21,800. I'm waiting for that 98 to hit again. Wow, looking really nice. See if we'll go through the 98 or not. The 95. This time it came back up to 90, to 95, not 98 anymore, so watching for that. Our new resistance level is 98 and 95, not 98 or 800 or 803. $90. You go all in. You go all in. I don't know you guys. You do you, you guys. Don't worry about me. I'm done. You do you. Do not worry about me. I'm done. You do you, my friend. Went all the way to 90, 95 and push it back down again. No. Hey man, it costs money for those accounts, man. Money, man. Just be consistent. That's what I'm learning. No, I don't want to be a hero, man. I want to be consistent, man. $50 here, $100 there. No home run for me. Maybe one day, but okay. I'm not worried about hitting home run. Just let's focus. You guys saw that, huh? I moved my take profit, man. I'm greedy, that's for sure. I'm greedy for sure. Sometimes I got it, but most of the time it just stopped me out at my might want to push back up and watch for that 84, 85 to push it back up again. If it's 84, 85 hold. Here we go long now. My hard stop is 80, risking 5 points. If I'm going long. But it looked like a long to me right now. Instead of for a long. It's very tight price range though. Let me go get some water, you guys. I'll be right back. Let me go get some water. I'm back. We're not going anywhere. That's for sure. We're not going anywhere. Mm-hmm. Yeah, to tell you guys honestly, I don't look too far ahead. It maybe 5-10 minutes ahead. Take one quick trade and lock in maybe 10-20 points. If I can do that a couple times, then I'm good. You know, especially when I'm trading multiple accounts, right? If I'm trading multiple accounts, if I can hit a couple times with like 6-10 points each, then I'm done for the day. We done for the day, that's for sure. So I'm working on that. I'm not too worried about, you know, where the market go, where it want to go. But let's focus on the next 5-10 minutes, or maybe the next 5-10 seconds. Pick a trade, lock in 6-10-20 points. Then I'm good. Yeah, to be honest, I don't see anything right now. If I get in, I will lose money for sure. It doesn't look like it want to go anywhere, so then no point of taking any kind of trade right now for me. Like I said, I try to trade less, not more. If I miss it, then be it. But I'm try not to overtrade. I already took one trade already, one good trade already. But now I don't see anything. Yesterday I took a total of 3 or 4 trades. That's it. Right now we're in the middle of that. Right now we are in the middle of. We are at 85. The low is at 70, 75. Up there we're looking at 90, 95. So we're looking at 10 point up and 10 points down. So there's no reason for me to take any kind of trade right now. Yup. Right now is the time to sit on our hands, for sure. What time is it? 27. 33 more minutes to go. Wow, time flied. Time fly when we have fun. That's okay, Crystal. That's okay, man. That's okay. Just trying to be consistent, you guys. I'm working on my consistency. Okay, so don't ask me to go all in, please. I'm working on my consistency. $10, $50, fine. But I have no luck, no luck at all when I go all in. What I mean by all in is like go 5 contract or something like that, trying to get it over with, but no luck for me. Just take it slow. They all add up. I don't know if you guys know this, but they all add up, man. $100 today, $100 tomorrow, man. But at the end of the month, man, this all add up. So don't even think about You know, yeah, $50, $100, or $200 doesn't mean much, but they all really add up. To be honest with you, they all add up very quickly. And you know how time flies, man. What, right now we in June, right? I mean, Jesus, time flies. So yeah, so just trying to be consistent, man. $100, $200, $300. You know, I'm not worried about making do a home run every day and things like that. But no, they all add up. I don't know, man. I don't know, Crystal, man. Don't trade, and then I took one trade. At least I took one. You guys see what I'm saying? Like, we hold on to that 84. Up and down. From 84 up and down 10 points. Not even 10 points. Yeah. 4 or 5 points. Up and down. We are stuck at 84 right now. Stuck at 84. Yeah, 2-3 points, push it back down. 2-3 points, push it back down. Okay, here we go. 5 points. Hmm. 85, and then, yeah. 8 points. Went 8 points and push it back down again. Yeah, pretty tight, you guys. These trades are around that 84, 85. It's very risky to take any kind of trade for me right now. 85 pop 8 points or drop 5 points, so. $86, 88. No, I'm not going to take any kind of. Yeah, sometimes have to be very, very patient sometimes. I'd really like that to go short, but doesn't mean that I'm going to take the trade. Let's see. 86, 87. Our stop is 87. Risk in 3 points. You catch what? Maybe 10. Very, very tight. Yeah, you never know, right? I mean, very hard to tell. So if that's the case, then stay away. Don't have to take the trade. $87, 87, 85, 3 points. Up and down 7-8 points from 84, 85, so very tough to trade. Yeah. Like I said, we are at what? 85, up 7 point, down 7 points. So we still in this price range. 75 and 85 or something like that. So $6 point down and 6 point up. We're not going anywhere. Yeah, tell me about it, man. Very, very crazy, man. Yeah, sometimes, man, it's just you might find that I'm boring to not trading, but I have to learn how to. But crazy, man. I used to like when the price move like this, I go shopping online, and I stop. Kind of dangerous, man. Kind of dangerous when you bored, got nothing to do, and you go, okay, let me check and see Amazon have something special. Oh, what do I need to buy? That's very dangerous. So I try not to go to that. I have to find something to do when it's bored like this. Like I don't know, but yeah, I tend to go to Amazon and see what they have on special or anything on sale and things like that. What do I need? Bottom line is I don't need anything. I have all I need. But when you get bored, man, you go and okay, what I want to buy. And to keep buying stuff that you don't need. Stop it. Yep, man, buying stuff that you don't need and you don't want. See, that's why, man. I try not to go to the website, like Amazon or whatever. You know, every time you go on there, man, you just like tending to want to buy stuff. You know, inventing to buy. So, oh, my computer. Do I need more hard drive, or do I need to buy one more of the SSD to expand my hard drive space? Or do I need that camera to do a better recording and things like that? You know, you invent things, man. You like imagine things, you know, and then justify to buy the product. No more. No more buying, no more spending. What time is it? 38. Wow, look like we 84 at our resistance level now. Came up about 3-4 times now. We can go through the 84. So it looked like 84 is our resistance level. 84. Came to 84 and push it back down again. What time is it? 39:40. Wow, look like 84 is our new resistance level. Yeah, 803. You see that right there, you guys? Came up four times now. Came to 84, 85, push it back down. So 84 is our resistance level now. It's not in the middle of the price range right now. 84 is our resistance level. Man, you see a lot of, look at, came up three, 4 times now. I didn't trust that. Man, I should have go short, man. 84, man, four times. He's trying to go through the 84. I did not want to do that. I should have go in and short at 83 and get out at my stop loss at 85. Making good money with that trade, but for sure. Easily, I can easily catch 6-7 points with that trade. See the 71 hole. See if this candle close above the 71. More minutes, 9 more minutes before MOC. I will take one more trade before the day ends for sure. This time it came down to 66, push it back up again, not 64. Move so quickly. Should have taken that trade. Should have taken that trade. I was looking for long and get out at 67, 66. Stop loss is 66 when it was here. 72. Risk is only 6 points. But I did not take that risk. Did not take that trade. $76. Five more minutes MOC. I missed that trade for sure. There's no point for me to chase it right now. No point for me to chase it. Man, it's not surprising me if it's pushed all the way to A03 again, but I'm not going to chase it. I'm not going to chase it. I know. I guess we'll have to wait. I don't know, man. It looks like want to go push it to A03 again. They hide again. Who knows, right? 46, 3.5 minutes. MOC. Very aggressive, very aggressive. At 92, risking 7 points. Three and a half minutes MOC. Got it. $100 with that trade. That 5 points. Right there, 5 points. Hey, Andy. Andy, how's it going, my friend? Doody. How are you, Andy? How's it going, man? Okay, 2 trades, and that's it. I'm done. How are you, Andy? How are you, my friend? We miss you, man. What's going on? We miss you, Andy. What is going on? Man, look at this. $100, 105. That's what, 6 points? Like I said, man, 5 points here, 6 points there. Man, you better come back. Hurry. I don't know about Crystal, man. I don't know about Crystal, man. I thought we are a team. We are the team. Was awesome, man. That's what, 6 points? 6 points. Yeah, with that trade, it broke that 82. I short at what? 81 3.25. Knowing that I have to get out at 83 84. So I'm risking what? 3-4 points. Mentally, I will get out. 3 or 4 points. Go big or go home. MOC in 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Oh. 1 second. Here we go. Let's go all in, you guys. Man, look like it's going to break that look like it's going to break that 64. Anyway, look like we're holding at 60, huh?
Son of Anjana, we call on you. Yes, we call your name. We come with
Well,
chance in our
it might want to go and go down and test that
echoing
VWAP at
sacred
40.
verses. In devotion's mighty tide, grace and mercy by my side. Each syllable, a sacred plea.
7 minutes
In
to
the
go.
sun's early glow, I'm free. With every beat, the spirit clears. Embracing love, his name adheres.
Oh, you did? That's awesome, my friend. Wow. I don't know. Me kind of chicken out.
Echoes rise.
But yeah.
from one star. In each
So far so
note,
good today.
a
Trading
truth
6
that
accounts at the same
star.
time. So
Mantras come
me
with
chicken
humming
out, you
sound,
guys. Me chicken out.
where his presence is profound. The heart
Me
unfolds,
chicken
the
out.
soul adheres.
That's okay.
With every chant, his grace appears.
Let's see what you got here.
Verse after verse, his name revered. Bhakti, pure devotion, sincere.
Closing down. You better closing down.
Cosmos
You better,
soar.
man.
As Hanuman brings
That was a
strength
good
to
short,
the
huh?
core.
That was a good short, man.
In his
I'm sure
love,
that you caught one.
fears disappear.
Yeah, once it broke that 75,
Chanting on,
that 25
the
points, you
path
guys.
is
25
clear.
points. 25 points.
The dawn breaks through
Okie
the morning
dokie,
dew.
Crystal.
Hanuman, we sing anew. His courage flows in every line. In every heart, his virtues shine. Ancient words, they rise and fall. In every moment, to him we call. Almighty One, with mace in hand, bringer of strength to this very land. Tales of valor, whispered breeze through the leaves of the sacred trees. In his presence, spirits soar.
70 our resistance level. 70.
It opens door. In the temple's sacred halls, incense drifts and devotion calls. Chimes resonate with a golden hue. Hanuman's grace in view.
Yeah, I don't see anything right now.
Footsteps echo a prayerful stance, lifting souls into a divine trance.
Here we go. Mm-hmm. That's funny. Mavic. That's pretty funny. Rich woman. You know what? If you I'll tell you a story. If you're hot enough, you can go to Vietnam and hire some old and rich woman can hire you to be what do you call that? Like I just escaped my mind right now. They hire you as a escort or something like that to support your lifestyle and trading and that. That's a good idea, huh? Go to Vietnam, find some old lady to support you through your trading, buy your accounts and things like that. Yep, good idea, man. I don't know. I wish I'm not young to go there, and hope my wife is not watching. You know, go there and have some lady support me and pay for all my evaluations accounts and trade. And my job is to be pretty every day. I don't know. Just kidding. I'm not gonna do that. Just kidding. Just kidding. I'm not gonna do that. But that would be nice though, huh? It's good, it's good, good point. Anyway. Man, you're funny, Mavic. I didn't think of that. Imagine if she can buy you 100 accounts every month for you to burn through. Crazy. Anyway, you guys, I am done. I am done. I don't have some strategy. No, I don't have. But if you watch my video or my YouTube, you know when my take profit and stop loss. I always go in and I place my stop loss and take profit. But yeah. Okie dokie. What time is it? 58. I think I'm done. I'm not trading anymore. I'm good. I am good. Yeah. Thank you so much, you guys. Yeah, sometimes you have to know when to stop, know how to when to log out, when to stop trading while you're ahead of the game. Yeah. Okie dokie there, Andy. We'll miss you, man. So hopefully we'll see you back here soon. All right, man. Have a good lunch. Yep. Okie dokie, everyone. Thank you so much, you guys. And we'll see you tomorrow. Yes. We'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow, Thursday, Friday.